What's up guys? Welcome back to a craft a day with yours truly, Araceli Chan DIY. So the theme for this week's DIYs, grab your tea and let's get crafting. This is by far one of my favorite DIYs that I've done to date, and I realize it's not a little red truck, it's a red bug, but we're gonna go with it. And it is cut out from a gift bag, and the rest I'm just kind of showing what I'm using to create this DIY. So I'm just gonna cut out the little red bug from the bag, and then I'm also gonna cut out the headlights. Once they're cut out, I'm going to place it on top of that frame that I'm using, and I'm going to just kind of mark it right there, and you're going to drill a hole right in there because you're going to thread the fairy lights right into those holes. When you put the glue on the battery pack, make sure it's on the opposite side of where you open it. That way you can remove the batteries and replace them. This part looks like it's complicated, but it really isn't. So you're just going to bend the wire in half, and you're going to thread one half into one headlight and the other half into the other headlight, and just kind of twist it around so that it's not loose. Then you'll take the tip of the wire and just start kind of going around and around, and you'll see what I mean here. And you don't have to glue this down because it might mess with the wire or the lights. It'll just stay in place if you pull it through tightly through the back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in this week for a craft a day. Stay tuned for the next theme, not this coming week, but the next. All right guys, bye.